Microsoft Access is a data management or a data storage or database software given by a Microsoft. Access, what Access does, they will store the data. We can store the data, or we can say manage the data for a further analysis. For that reason, many of them are using a Microsoft Access. It is similar to your Hadoop, other Spark, like other database management systems are there. Similarly, Access is a database management system. DMS, DBMS, database management system, offered by the Microsoft. If you go to start menu, if you already installed the Microsoft Access, if you are not having in a laptop, then go to a mobile and you can download from the Google Play Store this particular app. There you can check. Once you have been open that one, if you click on here start menu, you will be having a Microsoft Access. Once you have been open a Microsoft Access, it will give you like this. Okay, similar to your Excel as well as Word or PowerPoint. Similarly, it is, we have a blank database from scratch if you like to start, or you can go with the templates. Templates are nothing but they are predefined database. Here in template, you will be having a many other database system. Okay, now you can start with the blank database. Click on that blank database. First it will ask what to be database, where what to be name of the database. Will say database 1 or demo. Then we say create. Your database has been started creating. Your database has been started to create. Now, how to work on a database? What are the things we can do in a Access? Is nothing but we can do like a creation of the data. We can create a data. Okay, database tools are there. Then we can connect external database also. If you created already database in Excel, you can connect them to a Access also. Different database you can connect. Apart from that, you can create a database. This is the main thing we are using Access. Why we are using Access? To create a database. To create a database, how to create a database? Here we have to, we can create a table. Okay, we can create a form as well as a query. We'll learn one by one what are the tools available in a Access in a coming sessions.